You don't need 20 habits. You don't need to wake up at 4 a.m. You need a system you'll actually stick to. We've all been there. You scroll through videos telling you to meditate for 40 minutes, journal for 3 pages, work out like an athlete, and read a book a day. Sounds great until life hits. Most people fail at self-improvement not because they're lazy, but because they try to do too much all at once. The real key is simplicity, consistency, and systems that don't break when life gets hard. Welcome to BeGoated, where I'll help you build an OG personality and guide you to prosperity. And trust me, these habits can change your life just as they changed mine. So keep watching till the end. This is the simplest, most powerful 8-step routine to change your life from the inside out. No fluff, no perfection, just progress. Habit 1. Wake up before the world needs you. You don't need to wake up before sunrise, but you do need to wake up before the world starts pulling at you. This isn't about being superhuman. It's about giving yourself time before you're asked to give it to everyone else. Even 30 minutes, quiet, no phone, no pressure, just you, your breath, and your thoughts. That small buffer can change your entire day. Habit 2. Move your body, walk. Stretch, lift, run, it doesn't matter. Movement beats overthinking. You're not just building a body, you're teaching your mind. I choose action over excuses. Some days it'll feel easy, some days it won't, but you'll never regret showing up for yourself. Habit 3. Plan the day on paper. Don't keep your day in your head. It's too noisy in there. Write down your top 3 priorities, no more. Not your whole to-do list, just the 3 things that matter most. When your mind is clear, your actions follow. Clarity beats chaos every time. Habit 4. Eat like someone who respects themselves. You don't need a six-pack. You need energy, focus, strength, and that starts with what you put in. Eat whole foods. Prioritize protein, drink water. Fuel your body like it's on your team, not your enemy. Stop eating like you're punishing yourself. Start eating like you're preparing for your best life. Habit 5. Learn one new thing 5 pages a day. A podcast, a YouTube video with value. It doesn't have to be a masterclass. If you grow just 1% a day, you'll be unrecognizable in a year. You're not just feeding your brain. You're upgrading how you see the world. Habit 6. Get outside 5 minutes. That's it. Sunlight, fresh air, stillness. You weren't made to be inside under fluorescent lights, staring at a screen all day. Touch grass literally. It's not hippie. It's human. Habit 7. Do something difficult on purpose. A cold shower, a hard workout, a phone call you're avoiding. Pick one thing each day that makes you uncomfortable and do it anyway. That's how confidence is built. Not in your comfort zone, but right outside it. Every day you choose challenge, you become stronger, clearer, calmer. Habit 8. Reflect. Honestly. End your day with 3 questions. Where did I win? Where did I fold? Where can I be better tomorrow? This is the glue. Without reflection, you're just going through the motions. With reflection, you're building wisdom. These habits aren't magic, but if you commit to them daily, they will change your life. Not instantly, not dramatically, but consistently. This is how you build momentum without burnout, discipline without anxiety, growth without overwhelm. These 8 habits will shift how you live. But if you want to shift how you think, you need to go deeper. There's a psychological technique so powerful, it rewires how you respond to failure, pressure, and resistance. It's the reason some people break and others break through. Watch my next video. You will never fail again. It's not clickbait. It's a mindset shift that could change everything. See you there.